Nokia is a very old and excellent smartphone manufacturing company. After missing for many years, Nokia is going to launch another great smartphone in the market. If you are looking for a smartphone which is affordable in price, but which gets fully charged in 15 minutes, and has a 200 megapixel DSLR camera, then your search is about to be fulfilled. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Royal Ultra 5G smartphone. If you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Royal Ultra 5G. This Nokia smartphone has a 6.95-inch Full HD+ Super AMOLED display, which comes with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection. Apart from this, features like refresh rate of 144 Hz, touch sampling rate of 360 Hz, in-display fingerprint sensor, and IP69 rating are also seen in it. Camera setup. Talking about the camera quality of the smartphone, you will see a setup of 4 cameras at the back, whose main camera is going to be 200 megapixels. Apart from this, 3 other cameras of 32 megapixels, 16 megapixels, and 5 megapixels have been installed in it. Whereas, if we talk about its selfie camera, then you will get to see a 64 megapixel front selfie camera. Processor. If we talk about the processor of the mobile, then Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor has been installed in it. And if we talk about the operating system, then you get to see Android 15 operating system in it. Battery backup. Nokia has given you a strong battery backup inside it. Inside you get to see a powerful battery of 7500 mAh, which supports 90-watt fast charger. Price or launch date. Talking about the price of this mobile, you can get it around $550. Or, if we talk about the launch date, no official information has been received about it yet.